Hello, and here we are. The kit is finished. The little, here's a 5p piece to show you the size of it. Folland Gnat 172 scale by Airfix. I've made better paintwork than this, but as you've seen from my previous little videos, I've had a bit of a struggle, but I've more or less got to the I gotta finish it stage and just leave it be. So there you go. Paintwork's not great by there, but managed to get some sort of a resemblance of a gnat from the early days of the Red Arrows when they were based in Kembrel in Gloucestershire. Big, as usual, it's not over till it's over, and this time it wasn't over until I managed to, if that'll focus, as I always say, this decal here split into 5 parts when I was taking it off the back end. 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which well, if I swore, I would have sworn. I would have it was a very tense moment to try and get everything in place, but as long as you look at the other side, you should be fine. This one came off nicely. I think what it was, I had the backing paper and I pushed it down into the water, and it probably stressed it, and it cracked, rather than just leaving it in the water and let it settle down and relax itself in its place. Because I put the white background of the canopy, trying to do the putty line around the edge, it means that the red has come out a bit brighter than the surrounding, but I can't really do much now. I had to paint these parts here because, and the underside black dot, I don't know what it's for, but they weren't decals, so unlike other boxes of the kit, they're not decals. I put little silver dots here. I don't know if they're really lights or not. A bit of masking for the black line there. I should do the same thing for that, but it didn't work. It would have worked, but I just got fed up of it at the end. But this is the best gnat as far as balance is concerned, because it's not on the scriff. It's more or less level wings, which makes a nice change. Because you see the previous videos, which I'll probably refer to, they went a bit on one side. My favourite item on the decals is a little Rolls Royce decal here. If it eventually goes into focus. Come on, please. If I press the button, it would focus. There we are. It says Rolls Royce there, look. Can I get any closer? Anyway, there's an engine in here, is a Rolls Royce engine. And yeah, there we are. This is just pushed in. It doesn't need to be glued in. So technically, got a removable engine nozzle. Push that back in, but I wouldn't fiddle with that too much. I'll drop it in. It still feels sticky. If you hold it, and with the heat of your fingers, it'll make it feel sticky. But and it's more red than orange as it looks here on the film, on the video. But there we are, my third and final Gnat build. Now I've got another 82 or 83 other kits to build now, without buying any more. I've still got 80 odd kits to build. Don't know whether I'm going to finish them all anyway to put them, but anyway, next up we're going Swedish and getting a Saab built, so we'll see that progress as it happens. Alright, thanks for watching this little nearly 5-minute video and other videos I've been watching, and thanks to all the new subscribers. But as I always point out, this isn't a modelling channel as such, it's just what I have the opportunity to make while I'm in straitened circumstances. So don't be disappointed if you see other things in the future. Right, bye.